everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a really useful trick for your Shopify store. You know how some premium themes come with a built-in pop-up subscription box, but the free themes usually don't? Well, the good news is that you don't have to pay extra for this feature. Shopify actually has an official free app called Forms, and with just a few clicks, you can add a professional subscription pop-up to your store. By the way, we've just launched a new YouTube fans exclusive development package. You can save a full $1,000. If you need custom Shopify work, click the link above to check it out. Now let's get back to the setup. First, install Shopify's free app Forms from your admin. Once it's installed, open the app and create a new form. At the top right, click Create Form. Then choose the pop-up option. Give it a name like New Subscription Form. The default settings work well, but you can customize them if you prefer. For example, click here to change the text on the teaser. Choose the position here. Here you can set up the title, content, and form fields. For most retail stores, using basic customer fields like name and email is enough. But if needed, you can add more fields, even custom ones. If you're running a B2B business, you can expand the form by adding more fields, like file uploads, and even tag customers to create a proper B2B registration form. Remember to set up the email consent. This defines when you consider a customer has agreed to receive emails from you. And if you'd like to offer a subscription discount, you can set it up here. You can also add an image to strengthen your branding. And one more thing, this form can also be connected with Shopify Flow. That means you can set up automations, like tagging new subscribers, sending them a welcome email, or even triggering custom workflow for your marketing. When you preview your store, you should normally see the pop-up button in the bottom left. If it's not showing, it's usually because the form hasn't been embedded, or you're logged in as the store admin, or your browser is blocking pop-ups. The quickest way to check is to open your store in a private or incognito window. See it there. And that's it. With just a couple of steps, you now have a fully working subscription pop-up that helps you capture customer emails, increase engagement, and strengthen your marketing, all without paying for a premium theme. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.